What is code system? A code systems allows business to streamline the process of creating the codes for their customer. With the help of the code systems, merchant can easily generate accurate and consistent codes for their customer, which reduces the error and ensures the transparency in the pricing. How can we achieve this on Shopify? So, hi everyone, my name is Vashu, and if you are using the Shopify Multi-Vendor Marketplace app by Webkul, then yes, it can be possible to achieve this code system on your store with the help of the Make an Offer feature app. So let's check the functionality and the configuration part. But before proceeding further, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more informative videos. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sale of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog section, from where you can check the features, configuration and get to know functionality of the extension as well. Now let's move back to our video. So guys, this is our admin panel, and first you need to enable the Make an Offer feature app under the feature app section. So here's the Make an Offer feature app, and as you can see, it is currently active on my store. So if you want to know about the user guide, you can check it from here, from the view details sections. Let's move to the configuration part first, under the configuration section. So this is a page where you will get the configuration about the Make an Offer. So let's start with the general configuration. The first one is allow setting to. So here is the drop down option where you can select the admin or the seller or both. What would you like to choose, and select who will manage the offer requested by the customer, that who will respond to the queries or the codes. Get offer details on. So where would you like to show the details, like a Make an Offer button on the product page or the cart page? You can select from here. And in case you choose the cart page to show offer detail, the request will be managed outside the app. So for that you need to enter the email address. The next one is auto draft enable. If you enable this, the requested product will automatically created as a draft order after accepting this offer. Okay, so here it will be automatically created a draft order on the Shopify app. The next one is auto invoice create. You can enable this from here. Enabling this configuration, if you want to draft order gets created as soon as the customer accept the request, offer and offer price plus shipping, then you can enable this. The next one is allow extra price. So to allow customer to pay more than the product actual price, you can enable this from here. The next one is the counter price. So enabling this configuration to allow the admin or seller to add the counter price to the customer offer. So guys, basically the counter price is the price that the admin or the seller can ask for the customer, or you can say it's a process of bargaining, and it is a one time only. So it is not a continuous process, it is a one time. As an admin or the seller, you can add the price at once only if you are not satisfied with the offer that you get it from the customer. The next one is the allow shipping price. If you want to charge shipping on the offer, or you want to add the price, then you can enable this from here and click on this save button. The next one is the form configuration. Here is the label names. You can change the placeholder as well, and if you want to make it a required, you can mark tick on these boxes and you can check the visibility from here. The next one is the label configuration. So under the label configuration, you will get the labels. If you want to change, you can manage from here. Let's move to the liquid file configuration. So here's the code that you need to paste. So guys, this is all about the configuration part from the admin side. Let's move to the product from the seller panel, that how seller can create the Make an Offer product. So this is the seller panel. and let's check how to create a make an offer product. You need to go to the product section and click on the add product here. Everything will be similar, just like a normal product, but here you need to select the make an offer product like this, and then you need to enter the mention details like product name, product type, descriptions, and so on, and click on the save changes once it is done. So as I have already created one product, you can see here the cricket bat, and it's the make an offer type, so you can check it from here. So let's check on the front end that how the customer can request with the help of the make an offer. So guys, this is our front end, and let's check how the customer can create a make an offer request. So here's the button. As you can see, the price is $122 as per the admin or the seller, the product price. But if you are not satisfied with the price, or you want to quote this just like in a bulk products, so you can make it offer. So here you need to enter the details just like your name, your email address here, the offer price just like I can only offer 100 USD, and I just want to buy a 10 quantity, so the total is 1000 USD dollar. Here I need to enter my contact number, and here's the content. So you can write your message here if you want. And here you need to enter the mail ID. So after adding the email ID, let's click on submit button. So let's check from the seller end that how it looks like and how seller can perform the action on this. So from the seller side, you need to go to the product, then check on the make an offer request, and as you can see, here's the new request which status is open. Let's check this. You need to click on the action button and view button. So as you can see, the current status is open, and the offer price is 100 USD and the quantity is 10. So as a seller, if I would like to add a shipping cost here, so I will tick here as a shipping cost and not then untick from here, and let me add the shipping cost here just like a $5. Okay, and the next one is the counter price. If I would like to counter the price just like I'm not satisfied with the $100, let's suppose as a seller I just want to sell this product at the price of the $110, so I can add the counter price here and then choose the action as a pending or reject. As a pending is here just because we just need to wait for the customer and decision that customer is ready to buy at $110 or not. So this is all about the counter price, and if not, just then the action will be the accept or reject. There will be no choice for the seller as of now, but here let's check with the counter price and select it as a pending and click on the save button. Now let's check from the customer end, and for that you need to go to the customer account section, then click on the make an offer. So here is the list of the requests that you have created in the past. So as I have created a new one for the cricket bat, and the offer that I have price $100, 10 quantity, and here's the shipping cost that the seller have added, and the counted price is $110. So the total cost is $1105, and the status is still pending. So now the action button that I am having right now, the first one is the deny. If I am not agree with the counted price, I mean the last price of the product, or I can go for the invoice now, which means that I am agree on this point or the price. So let's click on the invoice now. Invoice requested successfully. Click on OK button. Invoice requested. Now the request has been sent to the seller. So let's check to the seller end. So as you can see, the current status is invoice requested. Now I need to click on the save button here. Status changed successfully. Invoice has been sent to the customer. So guys, this is all about the Make an Offer feature app. If you still have any further query, you can write us a mail on support@webkul.com. Also, you can create a ticket on webkul.uvidesk.com. And if you like our video, do give us thumbs up and do mention your valuable feedback in the comment section. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.